there's quite a lot of gear that's been snagged here on the rocks. These include a few wire traces and some bigger lines that could get caught up on marine life. So what we're going to do is take this back. We've got large pouches with us, and take this back safely so we can't do any damage. It's good to take a little bit of the clean up some gear that's been accidentally lost. So it's nice that every time we come down we have that opportunity to clean the reef and reduce any impacts that humans have on this natural environment. All this gear is just lost by accident, because once you get it snagged on the reef, the chances are you're not going to get it back. But here we're fortunate that we're here in the water and we can do our part and just remove the gear from here. This looks like it's been here for a while. We've got some small shark egg cases on it, and we'll just follow a few more. You can see how long it goes for. There's a big hook. But the thing is, once it's down here, and with all the water movement, it ends up catching more gear that's found in the vicinity. So that's what looks like it's happened here. We've got a few spools of line. But it's no problem. We're down here, so we're going to do our part and take it all back with us. This is quite often done by NARC, which is the Neptune's Army rubbish cleaner. It's set out to do cleans in different spots, especially down here in Pembrokeshire. They're an active group that do their part to clean up the underwater world, where a lot of things get picked out of the water. Household items to fishing gear to oil drums, but these are all removed by the volunteers just to keep the place tidy. And as divers, we do the same. If we see a letter, we pick it up. It only takes a few seconds, but that helps to keep the place tidy and prevent any marine life getting hurt or snagged on anything.